Gary's gonna go ahead and work on his cord.
Okay, I'm putting a new end on my cord here because the old one's wore out and you plug stuff in, it just fall out. Okay, I had to cut eyelets on here because this is 12 gauge wire and the screws here is only accommodates 14 and 16. And so I had to use these to make it work. So I'm attaching new wires and connectors because the cord itself still good. Good 12 gauge wire and all that. And that's what I'm doing.
And you first was putting the wire in without those little connectors.
Yep. The diameter of the wire was too big for the original connectors, so I went some better ones.
So it's a lot better than buying a whole new cord.
Yeah, see? Just put these and pick out what you want.
Nice. You got those at Harbor Freight?
Yep. $5 or something for all that. That's a pretty good deal, I thought.
Yeah. And it's cheaper to repair your cord as to buy a new cord, right?
Oh yeah. A cord like this would run you about $45, $50. And this way I repair it for, $3.
Little tiny screws though, huh?
Mm-hmm. My little fingers don't work like they used to.
What's wrong? On your little thing.
I get one thing on, the other thing falls off.
Do you need me to hold anything or help with anything?
Nope.
Ah, the sun's coming.
Mm-hmm. Time to go paint a deck.
Yep.
Okay.
Well, at least when you go back to work on the camper, you'll be able to use the power tools.
Yeah. Make it so much nicer and easier and faster. Well, I would say better, but with my skills, it might just be the same. Or I can just mess up quicker.
Are we going to be able to close the door?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we want to keep them man-eating Sasquatches from coming down here and taking up residence.
You heard about the guy that the coyote stick his head through the doggy door.
Mm-hmm.
We don't want a coyote living in our camper.
Yeah, it's a good thing we don't have a doggy door, huh?
Mm-hmm. Just an open cargo hatch, open windows, and a whole side out.
But if they only stick their head in doggy doors, we won't have to worry about it.
That's true. Good point.
It's a little bit long. Oh, can't have everything.
What do you mean it's a bit long?
I should have cut these off about this long here.
Oh, okay, I see. So part of your cords are going to be exposed.
Yeah. I'm going to wrap some paper around it.
Gotcha.
But that's not the correct way what I done there. I should have measured it first, but I didn't. Why would I do that?
But if the viewers are doing this,
Yeah.
they should measure it first.
Yes. Measure it from here to here. And that gets you right about there. I didn't do that. But it'll be all right.
I did notice you had safety glasses inside the camper.
Yep. They'll stay safe in there.
So you'll just, the excess wrap with that.
Mm-hmm. Just so it's big enough to this clamp will fit on it nicely and keep it from moving. I hope.
Hopefully, or you'll do it again.
Yep.
Your cord will get shorter and shorter.
Well, pretty soon it won't reach the plug-in.
Keep cutting it off.
Wrong screw. Must be this one. Although that don't seem right.
That's all that was laying there with it.
Oh, okay. These other right ones I just never clamped down far enough.
Yeah, I made sure to keep all them right there together.
Yeah, that's the one. Good job.
And this is the end Gary got
For the other end.
for the other end.
I'll do a better job on that.
Yeah. Where did you get these at?
Harbor Freight. There's like $2
Each?
Mm-hmm. You don't want to go real cheap on something like this. If you're using heavy power tools and stuff.
That makes sense. So you're going to do the other end another day and go finish painting the deck today?
Yep.
Nice.
Well, the other end ain't bad. It's not color coordinated, so. You know, I gotta stay.
You need to be color coordinated.
Well, yeah.
Yes.
Yes.